Hi guys, welcome to my website that I created on Weebly. Here's just the home page of my website. I included a nice picture here of the beach. I just really love going to the beach and it looked really nice to put on the home page. I kind of included here on the website what, I'm interested in pursuing in my career. And I just uploaded some pictures here with a little bit of a description at the bottom of each of them. Just a rotating slideshow so you can look through those, see what's going on. If you want to scroll over to my work tab, I included my Smackdowns and a link to my Blogger account. Again, just added another picture of the beach. I thought it was very calming, keeps you interested in the website. So I included a bunch of my links here. You can see my Blogger account, you can see my LinkedIn account here, and you can click on the links and I'll take you to the websites. And I also included a bunch of my Smackdowns here, so you can read through those with a little bit of comments on what they actually are, so you can scroll through those. And then one last thing that I did over here was I included some other classmates' blogs, so if you want to check those out, you can just highlight those and you can add them into the search bar. So I also filled out the About tab and I just included a little bit about myself. I included a picture of myself so you guys know who I am, a little description, my education, a little bit about my work experience, and I uploaded a link to my intro video that you guys have all seen on Schoolology, so you guys can check that out. And on my contact page, I kept what the original website had, just a little comment section. I included the map of Stockton as we were supposed to, and I also included the poll here, so if you guys want to go ahead and fill that out, that would be great. And I just included some pictures up here of Stockton. That's where we all go. We appreciate it. They do a great job. And yeah, that's my website, so go ahead, check it out, and enjoy it. Thank you.